Hey guys, I am going to repot my Syngoniums pink Syngoniums. So in love with it. If you'd like to see me repot it, keep watching. Okay guys, so miraculously my pink Syngoniums that I love so much that I call, Arrowheads, they have been growing like weeds and I am so in love with it. I would not recommend this pot here that I got from Dollar Tree. Please don't do this, guys, because what I normally do is drill a hole in it, but what I forgot to do is drill a hole in it. So this pot has no hole in it and it is growing like crazy. It's growing like crazy and they're my favorite and they're so beautiful. I love it. The foliage is just amazing. Look at that pink, guys. But it's grown. What I noticed is that the growth is a little bit stagnant right now. So I want it to keep growing, but I'm thinking that they have caught on that this is all the little bit of space that they have. So it's not getting any taller anymore. They have more flowers coming out here. See, we have new growth here or whatever. But yeah. So now the craziest thing, I have another one. I don't think it's pink. Well, yes it is. And this one is just not growing as much. See, there's a big difference. Big difference. Don't know if you see it. And yes, it is in a butter container. Don't come for me. So it's not growing as much. So I figured I would put them all together in my terracotta pot. And this terracotta pot does not look big, but it's humongous. I believe it's a 10-inch or maybe bigger than that. Like, it's pretty big. Excuse my dog. So what I'm going to do is just basically repot them. So take them all, put them in here, and y'all pray for me. Okay. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can see it in the corner there, but I am going to take my plants there, my arrow roots. I got these net trappers, sticky traps from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below for you all because they are amazing. I mean, amazing. Like, they've been catching nets like there's no tomorrow. So slowly but surely, I'm taking each of my plants out. Yes, of course, I placed 2 of them in one container because they were super small when I first got them. Like super small, like they were in nursery pots when I got them. And I don't know if you can look closely there, but I placed a smaller nursery pot inside so that way it can have some type of filter or whatever. You see it there? I think, maybe, I don't know. But yes, so I'm just taking them both and I'm just gonna plop them in my terracotta pot there. I am not going to like what is it called? Separate the soil. I want to keep the same soil with the flowers there because I don't want to aggravate the roots any more than what's already happening. Because this is my 3rd time repotting right now, and I don't like. Okay, truthfully, I love to repot. Like, if I see one little root coming from the bottom, I'm going to repot. I am a repot fanatic. I love it, but my Syngoniums arrowheads are growing super fast, guys. So I will feel so much comfortable if I place them in a more comfortable pot here. So yeah, just keep watching. Look at that root. You see that root, everybody? You see that root? They are so beautiful. Look at that. That is all root. That means they were about to be root bound. So that's why they weren't growing anymore for me. bit bulge right here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more.
These my dollars make it hurt.